Now more than ever, I am so excited to get outside, be in the sunshine, and have a summertime picnic. So today I'm gonna share with you my picnic must-have and must-dos. And to be honest, we are gonna have a very low-key picnic situation. No utensils needed. We're just gonna make everything that's just gonna pop right into your mouth. So we are gonna start off by making one of my favorites, such a classic, California Avocado sushi rolls. So we're gonna start off by cutting into our beautiful California avocado. So I'm gonna use this quarter right here, peel that skin back. Oh my God, this is the good stuff right there. I'm gonna cut it into pretty thin slices. We have our nori sheet. So I'm actually gonna be using brown rice today. Give a little bit of room to the sides. And we are doing a classic one. We're just gonna go straight crunchy cucumbers, and then we're gonna pile in our gorgeous avocados. So I'm bringing in a little water because before we roll, we want to get the side of the nori sheet a little moist. When it's damp like this, it'll actually seal it up much easier. So let's start and push it over. Get it nice and tight, okay? Okay, yeah, I really want to tuck and roll. And then we're gonna just give it a nice little squeeze. Voila, so beautiful. If you want to get a really nice, beautiful slice, you want to have a damp cloth. So when you cut it, you want to really rock into it and go gently. You never want to push into the sushi roll. Look at that already, so gorgeous. Slow and steady when you're cutting sushi. And take a little bite of it. The buttery avocado with the crunchy cucumber. It's gonna put it in here, seal it up, and I'm also gonna bring a little bit of tamari with me so I can dip it in there. Okay. You definitely can't go to a picnic and not have a spread with you. So we're gonna make this beautiful butter bean dip. We're gonna peel back the avocado and then put it into our little food processor. And then we're gonna put all of our butter beans. I have a little bit of lemon or lime juice, either will work. Wanna add some salt, really give it some nice flavor. And I love that we have the avocado in here because we're gonna be adding some fresh basil. Oh my God, that aroma, so beautiful. It's gonna go so well with the avocado flavor to make it really dynamic. Oh, this looks so beautiful. You can see the gorgeous speckles of basil in here. I already packed away a bunch of veggies over here so we can dip it into our beautiful hummus. Gotta take a little spoonful. This is gonna be such a good picnic. We're gonna make some little mozzarella-paprika, avocado, basil skewers. Little skewer, and I just love that we have the avocado on here, and it just adds such nutritional value with the 20 essential vitamins and nutrients. And when I go to picnics, I want to stay hydrated but also make it like a little celebration. So I made this prickly pear iced tea. I'm gonna pour some sparkling water right into here, and I'm gonna bring it with me. Okay, I will see you guys at the park. I'm gonna go meet some of my friends. Bye, ciao.